Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today is a kind of different video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the camera that I just got. I'm going to be showing you guys the camera I just got today. It's the Canon G12 PowerShot. It has all these cool features. On and off bed. I turned it on. Right now I'm filming a video, so you might see this video up. And I ripped my mask. So yeah, this is my new camera, and I have a ring light now. And I got it pointed towards the camera. But and I have this little stand that I got off of Amazon for $1. It's a little camera stand. So this is zoom out here, right here. You can move this little button to zoom out and zoom in. That's your camera button that you push to start shooting. And if you want to do a main focus, you can do a main focus, flash timer, all that good stuff. Delete, how you get to the pictures, and also I want to show you guys that you can also flip this camera back around, and that's the good part about this camera, is that you can actually flip it around if you need to, and then you can flip it around to you, so you can see how your shot is. I got tangled up here. So you can see how your shot is. I like it. I like it a lot. You're gonna be seeing me do a lot of videos on this. So yeah, I think this is a great startup camera. And I spent roughly $300. Roughly, I say that because I bought this ring light with the stand. And I also bought this stand here too. The stands were only like $2 a piece. It was one something. They're really like $1 something. So yeah. I believe that this is a good at the bottom of this camera is a battery, and it came with a charger piece for the battery, and came with a charger piece for the battery, and it came, well, yeah, it came with a charger piece for the battery, and then I had also purchased 2 batteries for this purpose, for my YouTube purpose, and also I have what was that? Yeah, I purchased 2 batteries, and I also have a charger and a car charger. That's what I was gonna say. So yeah, I want to purchase me a millennium, but one step at a time. Also, I looked at the G10s. These are like later models of the Canon. These aren't the G15s or whatever. But I really like them. I really like it. This is just the PowerShot though. I liked it because it came with the screen you can flip, so I think that'll be really helpful. But yeah, this is a new camera I will be using, so girl, you'll be seeing me on YouTube a lot more. Right now I'm still using my phone until I get my laptop back up and running the proper way. I have to delete some of that stuff like that. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you feel about the G12. Let me know your pros, cons on it. And let me know what kind of camera you use. Alright. Also guys, remember, don't forget to go by my channel and check out my Nigerian twist video. They are great. I love them. I love them. And I'm coming back with you guys another video. Peace.